Well, here we are, walking towards the gate for my detecting field. This is the day after the Boxing Day floods, and this area is quite severely flooded. So we'll see if that's affected the field in any way and see what we find. I like detecting near old rocks such as that which haven't been quarried, and big old trees which have stood there for hundreds of years, and it's paid off. First find of today is there, and it's a 1901 Victoria penny. That's a bit of a clean, but it doesn't look in too bad condition. Shimmy won't focus. Anyway, on to the next. And within a foot of that 1901, I just found a 1917 penny. Pinpointer where the Vicky was. And this hole is where the George the V was. Yeah, good day so far. Well, in the same hole as the George the V penny, I found that under a tree root. It looks like one of the multi-tools that you might get for a bike, but it's under a substantial tree root, so it must be relatively old. And then back where I got the early Vicky, I checked my holes, and there's something else in it which is in the spoil somewhere, so I'm going to find out where it is and get back to you. It took me just a minute to find it, and it's another George V 1919 penny. So whether I'm dealing with a purse loss, or possibly because this slope faces south, maybe a popular spot to eat your sandwiches back in the day, I'm not sure yet. But let's continue, see what else. Well, I'm still going. Since the last George V, I've got various shotgun backs, where the percussion cap is. That's about it really. Just dug that. It's metal. I don't think it is anything, to be honest. It's got the weight and the feel of an old coin, but I don't think it is. But I'll clean it up when I get home. Well, I found another coin. This is Elizabethan. Unfortunately, it's Elizabeth II. But I could still spend it, so I'm a penny up. Can't be bad. Well, the light's fading. We've had a nice little signal in this hole here, and this has popped out. Not sure what it is, but it's got a silver hallmark on it, which I think you can just about see there, possibly. It's hollow, a bit battered. Anyway, I'll give it a clean, see if I can work out where it is. Well, I made this the last dig of today, I think. Bit of a hole, coin's popped out, don't know where it is. Still need a bit of cleaning, a bit of investigation to find out exactly what it is. Light's fading. It might look quite bright on the camera, but if you look in the hole and use a pinpointer, you can see the light on the soil there. So it is getting rather dingy. So, I'm going to call it a day. I said it was the last one, but I lied. I kept swinging and just pulled out another George V penny. You can see the soil there, look where it was pressing against. I'm just looking at the date. I can't tell, it's that dark. 1936. Right, I'm going to keep swinging the machine, but this is probably the last hole.